What's up? It's Moody. If this is your first time tuning in, I am so happy to have you here. If y'all been rocking with me for a minute, welcome back. Today I have these Summer Walker inspired braids from our favorite problematic queen herself. She rocked these braids a while ago and I saw them. I thought they were so fun for the summertime, and obviously I could never get away with these braids if I had my 9 to 5. So I thought this would be the perfect time to try them out. I'm going to show you the technique I use, the rubber band method, as well as just taking some ombre hair I found from the beauty supply store to get these. We also have the beads at the end. This is such a easy style. Hopefully you guys will be able to follow along this tutorial, get some inspiration, and put your own twist on these super cute braids. Let's get right to it. So here I am with my hair a hot, dry mess. Okay, so of course my rat tail comb has gone missing randomly right before I decided to film, so I'm just going to be using a wide tooth comb to go ahead and part my hair. You're gonna want to blow dry your hair out, but my blow dryer is also not working conveniently, so I just had my hair washed and let it air dry and stretched it out in a little bun. So this is what we're working with. Don't judge me, y'all. I'm gonna start off by using this Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk. I kind of co-washed and deep conditioned my hair yesterday, so I just want to add some moisture to it. My hair is super dry all the time. Also, make sure among the list of supplies you need, you got a water or a drink or some snacks, because this is going to be a very long night. To make things easier for myself, and I also recommend you as well if you're a beginner, is the rubber band method. I'll link a video below of the rubber band method if you're not familiar, but basically it's just going to be pre-parting my hair into sections and rubber banding the sections off, so when I'm ready to braid I can just go ahead and braid all the sections that I've already made. So that's going to be the first step, is sectioning off my hair, parting it, and using rubber bands for the rubber band method. So I've gone ahead and sectioned my hair into parts for my braids. They are not the best, but they will do. I use this Shine and Jam conditioning gel, which I really like because it doesn't leave flakes and it has a pretty strong hold. So we're gonna do this last one together. Y'all, please don't judge my dry scalp because it is dry, as well as my hair is very dry. My is dry. Please excuse that. I'm gonna use the conditioning gel kind of around the part and smooth that, and then I have this bristle brush that I'm just gonna use to brush this in. So now I'll just go ahead in with my rubber band. Once I made my parts, I put my hair into bantu knots just to keep them out the way. I'm gonna go in and add some of this Indian hemp grease to my scalp, to those parts. I found this pretty pastel color. It's 54 inches, and this color is 1B and Sky Blue. Premium Just Braid Hair by Bobby Boss. I ended up getting 7 packs of hair. I probably won't even need this many packs of hair. I've already sectioned the hair into this medium size parting. I try to make sure the black part is even for the most part. Like, try not to braid it like this where the black is all the way down and then there's black up here. You want to braid it so it's kind of even. So when you do your braid, it'll give you the complete ombre effect. So yeah, I'm gonna take my hair. I'm gonna take the braiding hair and wrap it around this part. I'm gonna pull the part through like so, making sure it's tight as I can possibly get it and making sure it's above the rubber band here. Then I'm going to begin to braid as normal. Just braid a little bit down so that when you're braiding, you're taking the piece of your hair and putting it in between these two pieces of braiding hair. Once I have braided it a little and I'm also making sure my knot is secure, I'm gonna go ahead and split these two pieces into a third piece to support my hair. So see, I've split one section. Because this is cankalong hair, you're gonna wanna hold it as you split it or it's gonna get tangled. Now I'm gonna go behind and get the other section, grab a little bit from that section. See how my hand is guiding the hair all the way down so that it does not get tangled. Now I got my 1, 2, 3 pieces. I'm gonna go ahead and continue braiding like normal. Also, while you're braiding, you're gonna be dipping your hand into your conditioning gel or your wax or whatever you're using, putting a little bit on your fingertips and using that as well to kind of slick your braid down and keep your hair from curling out of the braid. So Summer's braids in the picture, she has this really vivid blue, turquoise blue, and it looks like the person used the feed-in method for her braid, whoever did her hair, which you can definitely do too. You can probably buy packs of black cankalong hair or black braiding hair and then buy the blue separately and feed it in. That's a little bit more complicated, but there are definitely videos out there on YouTube that explain how to do that process. I just thought it was super easy and convenient that the hair is already on braid. Take it and wrap it around the top of the rubber band. Pull my hair through and begin to braid down a really short distance before I split the hair to support my hair. There you have it. I've really tried to explain this as best as I possibly can. I hope y'all catch my drift, because I know it is not easy to braid your own hair. Trust me. The only way I got good at this is practicing. So this is a good time for y'all to practice, and it is way easier, I think, to do larger braids than the itty bitty tiny ones. Okay, now we are going to make sure all of the ends are completely braided. Sometimes when you're working on your other braids, they come a little bit loose, like this one. So I'm just gonna go back over it and make sure that it is braided to the end before I dip it in hot water. So I've dipped my braids. That's how they are now. And because I was in the kitchen, I went ahead and fixed myself some cheese and a little bit of wine in a red cup. Don't judge me. I'm not too crazy when it comes to making sure it's perfect. I don't mind if they look homemade, homegrown, whatever. That'd be fine by me. But yeah, we just want to clean them up a little bit. These are the clear beads. I got those from the beauty supply. And then you're gonna want clear rubber bands as well. Here are the clear beads. I put them on the top of a lid so I can grab them easily, as well as most beads come with some kind of like tool you can use to string them to the ends of your hair, but I'm really old school. These beads didn't come with that, and like I said, I used to always have beads as a little girl, and what my mom would do is just take a piece of aluminum foil like this, wrap it around the hair so you can make your hair super slim. You can go ahead and stick your aluminum foil right in that bead like so, and it'll glide right on, and then you can put it as high as you want it. Now with these braids, I think I'm only gonna do about 8 or 9 beads, we'll see, but I'm just gonna go ahead and string them on so you can see what I'm doing. So once all your beads are on, you can untwist the aluminum foil or just pull it off. You're going to take the end of the hair and wrap it around your bead like so. If you have some sticky parts, you can go ahead and cut those off at the end, but you're going to wrap it around this single bead. Then you're going to take your clear rubber band and you're going to go ahead and wrap it around that piece you just looped around the bead. I'm not even gonna hold y'all, but I bought 1 pack of beads, 1 pack of clear beads for $2.99. I did not have enough for all my braids, so I had to split some of the beads up. Some has like 8, some has like 4, girl. They got what they got. You get what you get and you don't have a fit. This is how we're looking in the back. You do it however you want, so. This is what they're giving in the back. You can't even really tell. You know, I'm shaking, I'm moving. You can't tell that my beat is mismatched. You don't know what's going on in this head. It's 4 in the morning. So now I'm gonna do these edges for y'all. So I'm gonna be using this baby toothbrush for the edges, as well as the Style Factor Edge Booster. I love this stuff. This is my favorite edge control. This is the only edge control that I use now. In order to make this not flake up and leave white residue around your edges, I personally wet my edges first. So take my spray bottle and go ahead and wet these edges up. That way it will not leave any residue when I use the edge control. My toothbrush is also wet. That's also the key. I'm gonna go ahead and dip it right into my edge control. If you want, you can take a silk scarf and just place that right over your edges, just so they will stay secured in place. Yes, sir. And they will be able to weather the storm. Okay. Okay, ooh wee. Yes, ma'am. Cause baby, I'm gang about you. Ain't playing no games about you. I gotta hell and jail about your boy. I take that back. I probably won't do that, sweetie. If you want more videos from me, don't forget to like, you gotta subscribe, and comment. Let me know what you like, what you want to see next. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.